Start. Madam, when I heard the statement made by the Honorable Home Minister and when he made a reference in it to the local touch, I really thought that his statement would apply some balm on the wounds inflicted on Assam. However, it is my misfortune to be reminded by his statement of a similar statement made by Mr. Maxwell about 40 years ago. In that statement, the colonial administrators has placed all the blame for whatever had happened on the leaders of the nationalist movement who were fighting for the independence of the country. At that time, the colonial administrators did not want to discuss the pros and cons. They only wanted that suppression should be let loose, and thereafter there will only be apologists who will say that suppression was the only thing that was necessary and that was required. It is unfortunate that the Honorable Minister has displayed a similar colonial insensitiveness. It is unfortunate that from the very beginning, when he took over as the Home Minister, things started going wrong with the people of Assam and with the negotiations on Assam. You would kindly recall that immediately after the talks were ended in November, this colonial, administrative, and bureaucratic attitude showed itself, and the leaders of the movement were arrested. This is the scale or the magnitude of the folly that has been perpetrated on Assam. If it were possible for the government to see regions, they could have, with great statesmanship, avoided the Holocaust that have visited Assam. The Honorable Leader of the House has referred to the question of constitutional amendment. I would simply ask whether a constitutional amendment was not possible. After all, Madam President's rule has to come to an end on 18th March, and that is 1 month away. It was possible with the support of the various political parties which had said that they would be supporting a constitutional amendment, and it would have been possible to adopt such an amendment during this 1 month, during this 1 week. I do not know why this eventuality never occurred to the leader of the House or to his government. The Honorable Home Minister has said in his statement that the prolonged agitation in Assam has generated an atmosphere of bitterness and distrust and distributed harmony amongst different sections and groups. I do not agree with the statement at all. Stop.